Jurisprudence is the philosophical study of law. It involves examining the nature, origins, purposes, and complexities of legal systems and legal reasoning. As an abstract and theoretical field, jurisprudence seeks to understand the fundamental principles and concepts that underpin legal systems, rather than focusing on specific laws or cases. Branches and theories of jurisprudence. Jurisprudence can be divided into several branches and encompasses various theories, each offering different perspectives on the nature of law and legal systems. Below are some of the main branches and theories of jurisprudence. 1. Analytical jurisprudence, AEA. Definition: Analytical jurisprudence. This branch focuses on the logical structure and language of law. It aims to define and analyze legal concepts and the nature of legal reasoning. B. Key concepts. Legal positivism. A theory within analytical jurisprudence that asserts that law is a set of rules and norms created by human beings and is distinct from morality. Prominent legal positivists include John Austin and H.L.A. Hart. Hart's rule of recognition. H.L.A. Hart introduced the concept of the rule of recognition, which refers to a rule or set of criteria used by a legal system to identify valid laws. 2. Normative jurisprudence, A. Definition: Normative jurisprudence. This branch explores the moral and ethical dimensions of law. It addresses questions about what the law ought to be and the principles of justice and fairness that should guide legal systems. B. Key concepts. Natural law theory. A theory within normative jurisprudence that posits that law should be based on universal moral principles inherent in human nature. Prominent natural law theorists include Thomas Aquinas and John Finnis. Utilitarianism. A normative theory that evaluates laws based on their consequences, specifically the extent to which they promote the greatest happiness for the greatest number. Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill are key proponents of utilitarianism. 3. Critical legal studies, CLS. A definition: critical legal studies. This branch challenges traditional legal theories and emphasizes the role of social, political, and economic factors in shaping law. It critiques the idea that law is neutral and objective. B. Key concepts. Power dynamics. CLS scholars argue that law is a tool used by dominant groups to maintain power and control over marginalized groups. Indeterminacy. CLS emphasizes the indeterminacy of law, suggesting that legal rules are often ambiguous and open to multiple interpretations. 4. Historical jurisprudence, A definition: historical jurisprudence. This branch studies the historical development of legal systems and legal doctrines. It examines how law has evolved over time and the influence of historical events on legal thought. B. Key concepts. Legal evolution. Historical jurisprudence explores how legal systems change in response to social, political, and economic developments. Customary law. It also examines the role of customs and traditions in shaping early legal systems. 5. Sociological jurisprudence. A definition. Sociological jurisprudence. This branch focuses on the relationship between law and society. It studies how law affects social behavior and how social forces influence the creation and application of law. B. Key concepts. Law in action. Sociological jurisprudence examines how laws are applied and enforced in real life, as opposed to their theoretical formulation. Social justice. It emphasizes the importance of achieving social justice through legal reforms and policies.